Hi guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna share how I prep my skin before makeup, and with this routine, it helps me to achieve that perfect skin to look good with makeup and flash. And flash proof makeup is really popular these days. I also posted one on TikTok, and some of the tutorials are focused only on the cosmetic appearance. But the secret to achieving that isn't only about your makeup, it is also about how you prep your skin. Because if you don't prep your skin, your makeup will end up like this. And we hate that, right? So if you want to know how to maintain being flawless, then just keep on watching.
So last month guys, I struggled with breakouts every time nagagamit ako ng new makeup. That's why naghanap ako ng mga skincare products na good for makeup, and I found out a Korean skincare brand called Numbuzin. And numbuzin is super trending all over the world. Like I saw it na top 5 sa Amazon, and meron din silang YouTube award. Actually, nakita ko sila sa ibang vloggers, and most of them is recommended by Koreans. And we know naman na kapag Korean skincare, super trusted talaga sila kasi their skin is literally a gold. And if you're my OG subscriber, you'll know na I've been trying a lot of different Korean skincare brands. But guys, after I tried this one, it definitely became my holy grail. And now I totally understand the hype kasi look at my skin right now. So guys, as you can see, very simple lang ng makeup ko. And inspired siya sa everyday makeup look ni Jenny's. So saktong-sakto lang yung aking pagka-glowy today. And I really like the makeup look. Before we start, look at this picture. This is when I did my flash proof makeup on TikTok. And I filmed 2 videos for like 5 hours siguro. And after that, gumala pa kami sa labas. And that is the first time na hindi ako naka-experience ng pagiging haggard, guys. I swear. Kahit super inat at pawis na ako, hindi humulas yung makeup ko. And this picture is after namin sumakay ng Vikings at magpunta sa horror house. Syempre, di may iwasan makipagsiksikan. And pawis na ako. Kitang-kita naman sa hair ko na basa na siya. And guys, hindi rin ako nag-retouch sa face the whole day, which is very unusual for me. But tingnan mo naman ang fresh pa rin ng face and makeup ko. Believe it or not guys, look at the date and time na lang for proof. And one thing I'm sure about is dahil siya sa makeup base ko, I noticed na nakaka-smooth siya ng skin at may blurring effect. So yung mga pics ko na pinakita is mga raw at walang filter, I promise. Kaya sobrang na-amaze talaga ako. And ayun, super na-achieve ko din yung flash proof makeup kasi hindi ako nagkaroon ng flashback at hindi rin ako naghulas. Semi-matte finish yung skin ko but it still gives me that subtle glow. Plus, ang light niya lang sa face pero ang flawless pa rin ng makeup base ko. And honestly, I'm not sure if I could make an amazing makeup look without the products I'm going to show you guys. Anyway guys, these are the 3 products that I'm using to boost my makeup. And kung mapapansin nyo guys, may number bawat products. It's because Numbuzin's slogan, "What's your number?" represent its mission to find answers for each person's skin concern. So I like that they named it by numbers instead of hard to remember names kasi mas mabilis kayo makakapag-focus sa skin concern nyo at mas madali nyo siyang matatandaan. So first, let's talk about the number 2 toner. Sa lahat ng toner na try ko guys, this is one of the best toner I've ever tried. Super hydrating niya compare sa ibang watery toner na nagamit ko since it contains 89% thermal water instead of purified water na ginagamit ng ibang toner. So yung thermal water kasi is rich in minerals, so it's nourishing talaga. Mas hydrating siya compare sa normal water. It also contains a PHA guys. So yung PHA is a gentle exfoliant, kaya nakaka-smooth siya ng skin texture without giving you a skin irritation. And for me, this is the best toner to prep your skin before makeup kasi it's very hydrating and it makes the canvas smoother. So hindi siya sticky after matuyo. Nasanay kasi ako na ganun yung ibang toner na ginamit ko. Pero this one guys is super gaan niya sa face. It's the most lightweight but hydrating toner na na-try ko ever. Napansin ko rin na na-help niya ma-remove yung mga baby bumps ko sa forehead. Also guys, with this toner, I can save some time and go directly with my moisturizer kasi I can skip different steps na like essence and serum kasi may deep hydration na siya, so hindi ko na kailangan gumamit ng iba pang products, which is really great kasi I don't like feeling sticky. Nababother talaga ako. I'm happy na it's not like the other toner I've tried. I feel 20 times fresh kapag ginagamit ko siya. Now let's move on with my absolute holy grail moisturizer, which is the number 3 Velvet Beauty Cream. And this one helps me to create that filtered skin with just the right amount of glow and blur. Like, it's giving me that satin finish, which I really like. Plus, it's a skincare, guys, but it works just like a primer. And I'm a daily primer user to make my skin texture much smoother. Pero yung primers, mabilis niyang nakaklag yung pores ko. That's why nagkakaroon agad ako ng bumps or breakouts. And primers can dry out our skin talaga. And that's the reason kung bakit nagiging cakey and dull yung makeup natin. So, I was pleasantly surprised nung nalaman ko na this moisturizer works just like a primer without any burdens on my skin. Super bet na bet ko yung pagka-creamy at velvety mousse texture niya. It's not that too thick and not too light. It blends well and it feels good on my skin whenever I'm applying this. It fills in fine lines and pores na prepare niya talaga yung skin ko for makeup. Just like what primers do, but this one keeps my skin comfortable and moisturized. Like, hindi ako nakaka-feel ng tackiness or sticky sa face since it doesn't contain silicone, which is the primer's main ingredient. Ayun din yung reason kung bakit nakakaklag ng pores and it can lead to environment pollution, guys. So a big thumbs up for numbuzin for treating our skin and environment better. So we stand. But yeah, if we're going to talk about the effects, mapapansin nyo na mas visible yung fine lines, pores, and bumps ko sa face, and super dull din ang skin ko without the number 3 Velvet Beauty Cream. And as you can see sa after, mas less visible ang aking mga imperfections sa face, mas healthy, and mas silky smooth yung skin texture ko. Super bet na bet ko yung pagka-creamy at velvety mousse texture niya. It's not that too thick and not too light. It blends well and it feels good on my skin whenever I'm applying this. Kaya it's perfect talaga for blush-proof makeup since it makes my skin look so smooth, which is perfect for picture takings. Plus, it's not too glowy, not too matte, kaya hindi rin cakey or dull yung makeup ko. As in, balance lang talaga to avoid that sweaty or greasy look. And it makes my makeup goes nice throughout the whole day. Anyway guys, before we proceed with the next product, kung mapapansin nyo nga pala, iba yung packaging ng number 3 Velvet Cream sa TikTok video ko. Kasi nagpalit sila ng packaging, pero same pa rin naman sila ng texture and ingredients. Mas bigger lang yung latest and mas cute yung packaging niya, guys. Look. I super love the color and sobrang ganda ng pagka-pink niya, guys. So, ayun, share ko lang, guys, kasi baka malito kayo kung bakit iba tong hawak ko ngayon doon sa TikTok video na pinakita ko kanina. So, to complete prepping my skin, I have here my number 3 Porcelain Base Skip Tone Up Beige. And I love this product so much because it's the one who helps me to fully achieve that filtered skin with just a single layer of it. And I've been wanting that so bad. Finally, na-unlock ko na ang secret for filtered skin. Light-based makeup with semi-matte finish is the kilang pala to look good in photos with or without flash. That's why super love ko to and many other people love this too. Kaya it ranked number 5 in Amazon US. Like, imagine super daming skincare products in the market pero nakabog niya yung lahat. So, as you should. Kasi super ganda niya talaga, guys, for real. So, nasanay kasi ako before na i-apply lahat simula sa sunscreen, primer, concealer, foundation, just for the base of my makeup. But these days, number 3 tone up cream na lang yung ginagamit ko for my base since all-in-one product na siya, guys. So, meron na siyang SPF 50+, PA++++. So, you don't need to use additional sunscreen anymore since you have a sun protection na. Plus, it has a sheer coverage na nakaka-even out ng skin tone. Nakaka-cover siya ng redness and good for natural skin-like makeup siya. So, you can use it daily sa school or sa work since simple and very lightweight lang niya sa face. You can use a concealer pa rin naman, guys, especially if you want to cover some areas na need talaga takpan. It is also a best way to make a flawless skin with light-based makeup. It also has a primer / powder. So, meron siyang fixing powder ingredient. That's why meron siyang pa-blurring effect. You don't need to use powder anymore since semi-matte finish siya and it fills in fine lines, pores, and nakakasmooth din siya ng skin texture. You also don't need to worry for flashbacks anymore since it's a beige color with sheer texture that melts into your own skin tone. At super easy lang din niya i-blend, plus wala siyang white cast, guys. Nakakasave rin ako ng time kasi I don't need to apply tons of products on my face. Super cute pa ng packaging niya, guys. Kasyang-kasya sa makeup kit ko so I can bring them anywhere I go. So yeah, these are the keys to unlock that flawless base that I have. With these 3 products, ma-achieve nyo na yung ganitong makeup base. And I promise, guys, hindi kayo magsisisi kasi it really works on my skin like no joke. I tried all of them before I share it with you guys. So you don't need to worry because I got you. Share ko lang guys kasi nakaraan ko pa talaga siya gustong i-share kasi sobrang dami kong nare-receive na compliments and comments na ang ganda raw ng skin ko. Pero syempre trinay ko muna ng paulit-ulit to make it sure na consistent talaga na ganun yung result. And it didn't fail me naman. Ganun pa rin yung result niya every time na gagamitin ko siya. And mas nag-less yung breakout ko. So I'm happy because I can try different makeup na ulit without worrying on my skin.
Anyway guys, lahat ng products nila is available on Amazon, Shopee, and sa kanilang official website na numbuzin.shop.
Don't forget to check them out guys. And you already know it, ilalagay ko na lang lahat ng links sa description box. So this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you have any questions or requests, just comment down below and I'll try to answer them all. Also guys, happy 50k to us and we're growing. I just want to say thank you for all the love and support and I truly appreciate you guys. But if you're new here, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for latest updates. So yeah, that's it for today's video. See you guys on my next one. Bye!